Sean Cranish, the EMF Explorer from electrohealth.com here, and this is a follow-up to the video about the Samsung refrigerator emitting RF radiation all the time. So here was my solution, and I got a lot of emails from many people looking forward to the solution. In this case it was really easy. Hopefully if you're facing this problem it's as easy for you, but here's what the back of my refrigerator looked like. On the back there was a nice panel in the top right corner. You can see there's 3 screws here holding the panel in, and right below the panel was a little icon of a wireless transmitter. And so right away I saw that and said, hey, this must be the spot. See if I can get you another close-up. You can see it's just 3 screws, one here, and one here. They're just regular Phillips screws. Now before undoing any screws or opening anything in the refrigerator, make sure you unplug it. That's very important. You want to definitely unplug it so there's no live electricity coming to it. Here's a close-up of that icon, the little transmitter. Okay, here's inside. So we have a printed circuit board. Here's a little power supply. So I was looking around here at first when I opened it up, and I'm looking for some kind of an antenna, some kind of a radio transmitter. So at first I was looking over here, and then I realized no, that's just a power supply. Then I'm looking around here on the printed circuit board, and I didn't see anything that looked like a radio transmitter. So then I started looking at each of the cables here and reading what the cables said, if some were labeled. And I came across a little blue clip cable, and it looked like it said Wi-Fi module above it. Here's a close-up. You can see, indeed, it says Wi-Fi module. It was the only blue colored clip. All the others were white. So with the refrigerator already off, of course, I simply unplugged that clip, just squeezed the little clip thing and pulled it straight out. I just tucked it up in here. It fit above this little holder, this little thing that's holding the printed circuit board. It just fit up there. I mean, you could always use electrical tape or something, but on the clip itself there's no exposed contacts. You have to go in a little ways. It's designed to have pins inserted into it, so it's not a concern even if it did get loose, but it's not going to move anywhere. So I just stuck it up there. Here's a zoom out of that. You can see it was as easy as unclipping that little cable. So I spent probably around 3 hours on the phone with Samsung, talked to 6 different people, and then even a couple local appliance companies, repair companies that Samsung referred me to, and nobody wanted to help or could help. Samsung wouldn't let me talk to anybody to tell me how to do it, so I just opened up the panel and found it was as easy as unclipping that little blue clip. And I verified it. I put the panel back on, verified it, turned the refrigerator on. Everything works just as before. Everything functions great. The only difference is there's no microwave radiation emitting from the refrigerator now. So problem solved. This was an easy one, and I hope that it's helpful. So the big thing is if you haven't measured your appliances, definitely get an RF meter. The acoustimeter is a good one. The HF35C is still my favorite because of its directionality, but the acoustimeter is also a great meter. That's the one I used in the previous video. So visit our site, electrohealth.com, and support the work that we continue to do. And we will find some more interesting things to help us all live a little bit safer with a little bit less exposure to RF and dirty electricity and magnetic fields, various types of EMF. So thank you very much. Signing out.